For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a fish farming business can be a profitable and sustainable venture, especially when enhanced by AI technologies. With the right planning, tools, and knowledge, you can create a scalable aquaculture operation that meets market demands while optimizing production and reducing costs. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on launching a fish farming business using AI. Step 1. Research and planning. Begin with in-depth research to understand the fish farming industry, including fish types, climate needs, and local regulations. Use AI tools to accelerate and deepen your research. Use ChatGPT to prompt, summarize the pros and cons of freshwater versus saltwater fish farming in your region. AI tools. ChatGPT for market and environmental research. Elicit to explore academic research on fish farming best practices. Consensus for evidence-backed scientific answers about aquaculture. Step 2. Identify a profitable niche. Choose a fish species to farm based on your climate, demand, and resources. Tilapia, catfish, trout, and shrimp are common choices. Prompt. What are the most profitable fish species for small-scale fish farming in Florida? AI tools. ChatGPT for profitability comparison by species. Google Trends to identify demand trends. DataWrapper or Flourish for visualizing market data. Step 3. Create a business plan. A business plan outlines your strategy, costs, and goals. AI can help you generate one quickly. Prompt. Create a detailed business plan for a small-scale tilapia fish farm in South Florida with a $50,000 budget. Sections to include: executive summary, market analysis, operations plan, financial forecast, marketing strategy, AI tools, ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate business plan drafts, Live Plan to refine and structure the business plan, Excel with AI plugins for financial modeling. Step 4. Legal and regulatory setup. Register your business, apply for licenses, and check environmental compliance laws. Prompt. List the permits and licenses required for starting a fish farm in your state or country. AI tools. ChatGPT for regulatory overviews. Do not pay to help with legal documents and filings. Gov websites for the most accurate permit data. Step 5. Site selection and design. Choose between pond systems, tanks, or recirculating aquaculture systems, RES. Use AI to design an efficient layout. Prompt. Design a 1-acre fish farm with RES layout for tilapia, including filtration and feeding zones. AI tools. SketchUp with AI plugins for 3D site planning. Google Earth Pro for terrain and water source analysis. ChatGPT plus Midjourney/DALL-E to visualize layouts. Step 6. Source equipment and supplies. Make a checklist of what you need: tanks, aerators, water pumps, feeders, nets, water testing kits. Prompt. Create a full list of required equipment for a tilapia fish farm with a production capacity of 10,000 fish. AI tools. ChatGPT for sourcing and budget estimates. Alibaba AI Assistant to find reliable suppliers. Excel AI plugin to manage your procurement list and costs. Step 7. Implement AI-powered farm management. Modern fish farms use AI to monitor and automate key functions such as feeding, water quality, and fish health. Prompt. How can AI automate feeding and oxygen control in a fish farm? AI tools. Aquabite for real-time monitoring of fish growth and feeding. Fishery AI-enabled feeding systems. WaterScope or ArloID.ai for predictive water quality analytics. Benefits include real-time alerts for pH and oxygen fluctuations, predictive feeding schedules to reduce waste, disease detection via AI-driven camera analysis. Step 8. Hire or train staff. If you're scaling up, Use AI to find and onboard workers. Also, offer training on fish care and tech use. Prompt: write a job description for a fish farm technician who can manage AI-powered systems. AI tools. ChatGPT for drafting job descriptions. LinkedIn Recruiter AI for sourcing candidates. Tavuti or LearnWorlds to build a training portal. Step 9. Marketing your fish farm. Build a brand and connect with potential buyers such as restaurants, local markets, and supermarkets. Prompt: create a digital marketing plan for a new fish farm selling organic tilapia in South Florida. Marketing steps. Build a website with AI website builders like Wix AI. Use Jasper AI to create blog posts and SEO content. Run targeted ads using Meta Ads AI or Google Ads Performance Max. Create an email campaign using MailChimp AI. AI tools. Jasper AI to generate ads, product descriptions. Canva with Magic Write to design marketing visuals. Surfer SEO to optimize blog content. Step 10. Monitor, optimize, and scale. Regularly track metrics such as survival rate, growth rate, feed conversion ratio, FCR, and ROI. Prompt: generate a dashboard template to track water quality, fish mortality rate, and feed usage. AI tools. Power BI with AI insights for KPI dashboards. Excel Copilot for real-time calculations and alerts. Aquanalytics or Aquamanager, AI farm management platforms. You can scale by increasing tank or pond capacity, adding new species, franchising, or selling your model to others. Step 11. Innovate using AI trends. Stay updated with AI innovations in aquaculture like machine learning models for predicting disease outbreaks, blockchain integration for traceable supply chains, AI drones for aerial pond monitoring. Prompt: what are the top AI trends in aquaculture for 2025? AI tools. ChatGPT plus web browsing for current trends. Feedly AI to follow aquaculture and AI news. Research Rabbit for academic innovation tracking. Conclusion: by combining traditional fish farming practices with cutting-edge AI tools, you can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and build a scalable, data-driven aquaculture business. Start with strong research. Use AI to optimize every phase from planning to operations and continuously improve using real-time analytics. The fish farming industry is growing rapidly, and those who integrate AI early will have a significant competitive edge. With the right guidance, tools, and commitment, your fish farm can thrive in today's tech-enhanced agricultural economy. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.